Hey everybody, this is a video about how to find the percent of change. So first of all, come over here and grab your pen or pencil. It's up to you. Or marker. All right. So right here is the formula to get the percent of change. It's the new value minus the old value over the old value. Okay, and then you convert that number into a percent. So here we have this scenario where something was worth $20 and now it's worth $22. So let's fill in the empty boxes. So we know the new value is 22, so it's going to be 22 in this box. And the old value is the blue value, which is 20. So 22 minus 20. And that gives us the amount of change. So 22 take away 20 gives us 2. All right. Now the old value is $20. So it's changed from $20 to $22. So the amount of change is 2 over 20. All right. Now 2/20 reduces down to 1/10. And 1/10 as a decimal is 0.1, right? So 0.1 or 1/10, okay? Which means as a percentage, I'm going to move the decimal 2 spots to the right. So that's going to be 10%. So there's a 10% change from 20 to 22.